Welcome to Rhysley, one of the leading manufacturer and exporter of denim apparels. From premium jeans, denim dresses, shirts to stylish shorts for men and women, we have the expertise in delivering the finest quality denim garments to our clients. Since our inception, we have been committed to creating denim garments that stand out for their quality and craftsmanship. To create our denim garments, we select only responsible sourced cotton. From deciding concept, pattern designing, fabric selection to the final production, everything is done in-house by our experienced designers and skilled craftsmen. Our trained craftsmen and state-of-the-art technology come together to create denim garments that are not just stylish but also built to last. Today, we are proud to export our denim apparel to hundreds of clients. Besides, we adhere to sustainable denim production by using eco-friendly manufacturing practices and ensuring minimal waste. From small quantity to bulk orders, our trained team is capable to meet clients' demands with precision. We ensure your orders, whether small or large, are delivered on time every time. Contact us today to start your journey with Rhysley.